If Photopea's text tool is not working, don't worry, because in most cases, the issue is actually very easy to fix. In this video, I'll walk you through the most common reasons your text seems invisible, uneditable, or completely broken, and I'll show you how to solve each one step by step. If this tutorial helps you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software fixes. Alright, let's jump in. The first thing to check is the text size, because this is the most common reason people think the text tool is not working. Sometimes the text is actually there, but it is so small that you can barely see it on a large canvas. This happens a lot if you're working on a high-resolution design, like a 4K image, while the font size is still set to something tiny like 24 pixels. So if you click and type but nothing appears, don't assume the tool is broken. Instead, click directly on the text you created, or press Ctrl and A on Windows or Command and A on Mac to select all the text while editing. Then look at the top options bar and find the size setting. Increase it from something small to a much larger value, like 150 pixels or even more, depending on your project. As soon as you make the size bigger, your text should become visible. Now let's move on to the next issue, which is the font color matching the background. This is another very common reason text seems to disappear in Photopea. For example, if your canvas background is white and your text color is also white, then the text is technically there, but you simply can't see it. The same thing can happen with other similar colors too, like dark gray on black or light blue on a pale background. To fix this, make sure the text tool is active, then look at the top toolbar and click the color square. Choose a strong high contrast color like black, bright red, or another color that clearly stands out from the background. Once you apply the new color, your text should show up immediately. If that still doesn't solve it, the next thing to check is the layer order. Sometimes your text layer is actually working fine, but it is sitting underneath another layer like a solid shape, image, or background fill. When that happens, the text is hidden even though it exists in the document. To check this, open the Layers panel by pressing F7 if it isn't already visible. Look for your text layer and see where it sits in the layer stack. If it is below other visible layers, drag it to the very top. Also make sure the eye icon next to the layer is turned on, because if the eye is off, that layer is hidden completely. Once your text layer is on top and visible, you should be able to see it on the canvas. Another important thing to know is whether you are trying to edit a restricted layer type. This usually happens when a text layer has been rasterized or converted into pixels. In that case, Photopea will no longer treat it as editable text. Instead of seeing a clean text layer, you may notice that the layer thumbnail looks like a flat image preview rather than showing a capital T icon. If that happens, the original editable text is gone, and you cannot simply click inside and change the letters like normal. The fix is to create a brand new text layer. Select the text tool, click anywhere on the canvas, and type your new text from scratch. If you need to preserve the old design, you may have to rebuild that text as an editable layer. A good habit while troubleshooting is to test each issue one at a time. First, increase the font size, then change the color, then check the layer order, then verify the layer type. By going through these steps in order, you can usually find the problem very quickly without guessing. Photopea is powerful, but just like any design tool, a tiny setting can make it look like the text tool has stopped working when it really hasn't. So if your text is invisible, too small, hidden behind something, or no longer editable, now you know exactly what to check. These fixes should solve the vast majority of Photopea text tool problems in just a few minutes. If this video helped you, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and stay tuned for more simple tutorials that make editing easier. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.